Hey, it's Alison from Blue Cat Sewing, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most of my reusable gift bags, the different sizes that I do, and how to add a gift tag. I make all my gift tags using last year's Christmas cards. Just cut them down, add a hole with a hole punch and a little bit of ribbon. This is my small sized gift bag, which is great for candles and jewellery and all sorts of small items. And you'll see now how easy it is to put the gift tag on. It just slides onto the ribbon and then tie a lovely bow, and that's it. It's so easy. You'll notice that I've put a QR code here which you can scan to download the sewing pattern so that you can sew your own gift bags in all 4 sizes that I do. Or if you want to buy some gift bags that I've got in my Etsy shop, you can do that as well. You can see here some other items that will fit inside the small bag: soap, hand cream, sleep mask. But this one here needs a little bit of bubble wrap just to protect it because it's ceramic. Isn't that cute? You could put all of these small items into a medium-sized bag. And if you wrap them in some tissue, maybe that you've recycled, it makes it more fun to unwrap. This is a medium-sized bag as well, and it's perfect for this size of book. This is a medium-sized one. I wonder what's inside here. Oh, it's one of my crossbody peg bags. I love giving handmade gifts. Now we're on to the large size gift bag. Perfect for footballs, slippers, awkward shapes, several things wrapped up in tissue maybe. What's inside this large one? Slippers. This is an extra large gift bag. This can hold all sorts of things: jigsaws, board games. What's inside here? Lego. I wonder what you'll put inside yours. Maybe several things. I hope you enjoy making them.